Best homemade condensed milk recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is to add my powdered milk. I'm going to add in my sugar. Then I'm going to be adding CMC to it. I will drop the recipe in the description box. So this CMC is optional, is to stabilize the condensed milk. Then I'm going to be adding my water. So after adding water, I'm just going to give that a good mix. So I'm going to mix it till there are no lumps inside it. So once I'm done mixing, I'm going to transfer this to my non-stick pan and I'm going to place it on my cooker or my heat. So I'm just going to continue stirring this till I get a thick consistency. Note that if the heat is too high, it's going to get burnt, and you are not going to stop stirring it. You are just going to continue stirring it till you get that consistency that you are looking for, that thickness that you are looking for. So once you get something like this, you know that it's ready. Note that it will still get thickened once it is cold, so you don't really need to make it very thick. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will know when I upload a new video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.